Hi everybody, welcome to Yagya VM. In today's class, we will discuss about the most important questions of July current affairs. So welcome everybody to the session and let's begin now. The first question is, what is the name of e-governance platform which has digital monitoring in it? The answer is e-Samiksha. So in this diagram, you can see an illustration of what is basically e-Samiksha. So here, all the bureaucrats means the civil servants, okay, in the state, in various departments where they are deployed. So here, all the high priority issues, policy issues, actions can be tracked directly by the government, by the secretary, by the prime minister himself, that why there is a delay or why the process is not getting expedited. Apart from that, it will also ensure transparency. It will give an auditable platform to check the efficiency of the bureaucrats if they are working properly or not. So once an issue has been pointed out, then here email alerts will be given, text messages will be given. Similarly, there will be some red dots also in any kind of thing that has been not performed or underperformed. So some very important infrastructure projects, for example, pending court cases, Ganga rejuvenation, Swachh Bharat, all of these are being tracked here. The Prime Minister gets a digital dashboard also here, from where he can view the major action points. Okay, so this system called as e-Samiksha will actually be very important to see the efficacy of the bureaucrats, how they are performing, introduce a more transparent system and for their auditing also. Next one is when is the National Doctors Day observed across the world? So basically it is done on the 1st of July. So 1st of July is celebrated as National Doctors Day to commemorate both events. First of all, there was a great doctor called as Bidhan Charan Roy. Okay, Bidhan Charan Roy. Now he was born on this very day and also he died on this very day. He was an eminent doctor, and to celebrate the birth as well as the death anniversary of Bidhan Charan Roy, National Doctors Day is observed on 1st of July. Next question. Which institution incubated startup has developed a portable hospital? Portable hospital means the hospital can be moved from one place to another, and it is a unit for COVID-19 named as Medicap. The answer is IIT Madras. So, Indian Institute of Technology Madras has incubated a startup named Modulus Housing, and this Modulus Housing has developed this portable hospital unit. The name is Medicab. It was launched in Wayanad district, Kerala, to treat the COVID-19 patients. The startup was founded by two IIT alumni in the year 2008. Next question. Who specializes in the study of moth and butterflies? The answer is Lepidopterists. Next question. Which two countries of the following have become the first in Southeast Asia to eliminate measles and rubella diseases? The answer is Sri Lanka and Maldives. Next question. Which Indian state holds the top position in marine fish production in 2019 as per the report of CMFRI? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra. The answer is Tamil Nadu. So CMFRI stands for Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute. In its annual report called as Marine Fish Landings in India for 2019, it says that Tamil Nadu leads in the fish production in the country. As per the reports, the fish production of India recorded a marginal rise of 2.1% in 2019 with 3.56 million tons of total landings. It also ranked Tamil Nadu in the first position with 7.75 lakhs ton. It is followed by Gujarat and Kerala. Gujarat was at the top spot in the recent year also. Now the next question, Institute of Life Sciences ILS that has established stable cultures of coronavirus is located in which state or union territory? The answer is Odisha. Next question, which financial institution has released guidelines for fair practice code for asset reconstruction companies? So what is this asset reconstruction companies is something that we will also see in this question. So the answer is Reserve Bank of India. Basically, there are some companies who are facing a lot of losses. Now, those companies which can buy those loss-making companies and then convert them into profit-making companies are nothing but asset reconstruction companies. So for them, a guideline has been issued, which is Fair Practices Code. It is released by the Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India has announced recent guidelines for Fair Practices Code for ARC, that is Asset Reconstruction Companies. The guidelines were released by RBI under the powers conferred by the SARFAESI Act 2002. Very, very important. As per the guidelines, ARCs have to follow transparent and non-discriminatory practices in acquisition of asset. Friends, my name is Yagyasani Patra. I teach on Unacademy Live. This is my referral code YAGYALIVE, YAGYALIVE. If you use my referral code, then you will get another 10% discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. This is the Telegram link t.me/unacademyopsc. If you join this particular channel, you will get free study materials. Apart from that, you will get video updates about my next videos. For Civil Services 2021, Odisha Foundation course has been launched. So Nirman Foundation course, jaha ki 25th May start hai jaiche. In that, we are preparing students for Odisha Civil Services 2021. I am teaching Science, Tech and Current Affair in this particular course. So what are all my courses on Unacademy? First of all, Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 1 has been already completed. So you can watch the recordings, and my upcoming course Polity from M. Lakshmikant part 2 will just be started in June. So if you want to learn polity from me, you can join me on Unacademy. Then complete Science and Technology for OPSC and other government job examinations. Third, Current Affairs. So weekly current affairs also I am covering on Unacademy platform. This is my referral code YAGYA9, and alternatively you can also use my referral code YAGYALIVE, YAGYALIVE, for getting additional 10% discount. So आपण a referral code को भी use करी परिबे, and you can also use this referral code to get an additional 10% discount. These are my courses, so if you want to learn from me, you can join me on Unacademy Plus platform. So basically, what are the upcoming courses on Unacademy? First of all, there is a Garud course. In this Garud course for CPSC mains, that is the Police Services mains, grammar, that is Odia grammar, reasoning and general awareness are being taught by 3 great educators. Next up, Laksha OHC ASO course, in which for ASO aspirants, this particular course, it is a comprehensive course and it has started. The payment pattern is for 6 months it is 5,600, for 12 months it is 7,000 rupees, for 24 months it is 8,400 rupees. So as we know friends, when we prepare for this government job examination, we do not go for one government examination, we appear for many. Similarly, the preparation time is also not limited. We have to keep giving the examination. So according to me, the ideal plan is for 2 years or 1 year, in which not only one government examination like OPSC, but many government examination like OPSC, ASO, CPSC, Police SI, OMC, all kind of government examinations conducted by the government of Odisha will be given due importance, and individual courses will be launched for them. So you will get training not only for one exam but for many, okay, under this single platform of Unacademy. In this fee structure, you will get additional 10% if you use my referral code YAGYA9, YAGYA9, or if you use my referral code YAGYALIVE, YAGYALIVE, okay, to get additional 10% discount. Apart from that, there is no cost EMI option available for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months on your subscription. Finally, optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and let's crack it.